Medline shower chair with padded armrests and back. Heavy-duty shower chair for bathtub. If you're looking for a shower chair that offers safety, durability, and comfort, the Medline shower chair with padded armrests and back is an excellent choice. This shower seat is designed to help individuals with mobility challenges or those recovering from surgery enjoy a safe and comfortable bathing experience. With its impressive features and customer satisfaction, it is no surprise that this shower chair has earned a stellar rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars from over 32,000 global reviews. Key features of Medline shower chair. 1. Secure bath chair for safety. One of the standout features of this chair is its commitment to safety. The slip-resistant soles of the chair provide excellent stability, ensuring that you won't slip or lose balance while showering. This is crucial for elderly adults or anyone who needs a bit of extra support in the shower. The chair's design prioritizes your safety by reducing the risk of falls. 2. Durable and long-lasting construction. The Medline shower chair is built to last. With a weight capacity of 350 pounds, this chair is made from lightweight, rust-resistant aluminum, ensuring durability without sacrificing ease of use. The heavy-duty frame means it can withstand daily use and still provide a stable and supportive seat. 3. Adjustable height for versatility. Whether you have a small or large bathroom, the adjustable height feature of this chair allows it to fit most bathtubs or showers. The seat height can be adjusted in 1-inch increments, allowing you to find the perfect level of comfort and accessibility for your needs. 4. Easy assembly without tools. Assembly can often be a daunting task with new products, but Medline makes it easy with this shower chair. No tools are required to assemble it, and a step-by-step manual ensures you can set it up quickly and easily. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or moving it between rooms, you won't need to spend hours trying to figure out how it works. 5. Comfortable and supportive seat. A Medline shower chair isn't just about safety. It also provides comfort. The padded armrests and backrest offer superior support, helping you feel secure and at ease while showering. It's designed to provide a balance of comfort and safety, making it the ideal choice for daily use. Customer feedback and experience. Customers love the Medline shower chair for its sturdiness, comfort, and ease of use. Many have shared their positive experiences with the product, emphasizing how it's made their daily routines safer and more comfortable. One customer mentioned, "The Medline shower seat is an excellent product that deserves 5 stars. It's sturdy, well-designed, and easy to assemble. The adjustable height feature makes it versatile and comfortable for people of different needs, and the non-slip feet provide great stability in the shower. The seat is wide and comfortable, and the drainage holes prevent water buildup. It's a lifesaver for anyone needing extra support or safety while bathing." Another satisfied customer shared, "I purchased the Medline shower chair after my husband was released from a 3-week stay in the hospital. The chair was easy to assemble and fits well in our walk-in shower. The chair is sturdy, adjustable, and made with quality products. It made showering safer for him while he regained his strength. Although he has recuperated fully from his hospital stay, we decided to keep the chair in the shower for safety reasons." The ease of assembly is another key benefit that many users highlight. One reviewer commented, "So easy to put together. Plus, it's very sturdy and fits my small tub. Great investment and well worth it." Value for money. The Medline shower chair offers excellent value for money. Priced at $41.98, it provides superior quality and durability for an affordable price. Customers agree that the product delivers great functionality for the cost, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone in need of extra support while showering. Pros. Sturdy and secure. The non-slip feet and heavy-duty frame provide great stability. Adjustable height. Fits a variety of bathroom setups with ease. Easy to assemble. Tool-free assembly saves you time and effort. Comfortable seat. Padded armrests and back offer excellent support. Durable construction. Rust-resistant aluminum ensures long-lasting use. Cons. Size may vary. Some users have mentioned that the size may not be suitable for everyone, but this seems to be a matter of personal preference. Conclusion. If you or a loved one needs a reliable, sturdy, and comfortable shower chair, the Medline shower chair with padded armrests and back is an excellent choice. It's well reviewed by customers, and its features cater to safety, comfort, and ease of use. Whether you're recovering from surgery or simply need extra support while bathing, this chair provides an affordable and durable solution. For additional savings, check out the video description box for exclusive discounts. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay motivated and updated.